Welcome to a one-of-a-kind duplex condo unlike anything else on the market. This 473 square meter 3-bedroom unit features massive living spaces with floor-to-ceiling windows, a wraparound terrace with a private jacuzzi, and unobstructed views that look spectacular in the evening. Okay, so this unit is on the 26th floor and it faces southeast. It's a corner unit that opens up into this spacious double volume living room that I just showed you here. This unit is uniquely designed by a Swiss architect, and you can see that it has a very nice functional living experience with the 7-meter floor-to-ceiling double volume windows here that lets in a lot of natural light. And you can see another unique feature of this condo is the wraparound balconies on both levels. That gives you a very nice mix between indoor and outdoor living. And I'm going to show you the first of many hidden doors in this unit, starting with the very first guest bedroom that's going to be on the first floor here. The other 2 bedrooms are going to be upstairs. All the bedrooms here are going to feature their own ensuite bathrooms, and this one is just opposite me here. And this unit has access to the wraparound balcony that leads you all the way to the living room and then to the very spacious kitchen area that we're going to have a look at right now. Okay, now before we go to the kitchen and dining room, I really want to point out that even the staircase is very well designed. Notice these indoor plants that then extend out to the balcony that gives you this nice transition between indoor and outdoor, and then all these accent lights along the railings and along the stair here. This place, make sure that you have plenty of space for your wine collection with this wine fridge here and this very nice built-in shelving for all your glassware and whatnot. And then as we transition to the dining area, to my left here is going to be the powder room for your guests, and all the toilets in this unit will feature that really convenient automated Japanese toilet. And now we come to this very spacious dining room and open kitchen area that really highlights the fact that this condo features lots of open space that is very hard to find in other brand new condos. You see this wraparound balcony coming in, giving you this very nice unobstructed view of Thonglor down that way to the east, and then south you're going to see Thonglor BTS station here. And one really nice thing about this area is surrounding you are going to be all these small little alleys, which means that according to zoning laws, you can't build high rises in this vicinity. So this unobstructed view that you have is here to stay. And if that wine fridge was not enough for you, there's more here, as well as places for your cocktails and your very nice glass collection here, fully stocked for entertaining. And look at this beautiful green granite island here, plenty of countertop space for your cooking. This kitchen comes with a dishwashing machine and very high quality appliances such as the induction stove, extractor, microwave and oven, all by imported brand Goranghae. And then you have a 4-door fridge right here that is very discreetly tucked in. But the utility kitchen area doesn't stop here, because through this door leads to the pantry, Thai kitchen, and maid's quarters. And remember, I told you there's more than one secret door. And the second one here is this door here that leads into the hallway, and this is a door that your maid can use. So you can give them a separate key where they can come in through just this door. And you can see that there's plenty of storage here for your dry groceries or your various other storage items. And then this door here leads into what's called the wet kitchen. So you can do your nice, aesthetically pleasing, entertaining cooking out there. But if you want to do stir fry or anything that smells, there's the Thai kitchen here. There's another sink and a second dishwashing machine here. And then you have your washer and dryer on the opposite end here another fridge here. So lots of storage space for your food. And this room here can also be storage, but it's intended to be possible living area for your live-in maid. And that's because it has its own maid's bathroom in the back here. And what I also really like about this is the maid has their own access to their balcony here, which is very functional because you can then, if you don't want to use the dryer, you can hang your laundry here because this faces east. And then this balcony here wraps around all the way to that nice dining area that I talked about earlier. Let's go up and see the personal living quarters on the second floor. Now, as you come onto the second floor, you'll notice that just a simple change of color palette from the white and gray downstairs to predominantly brown gives the second floor a much more warm and livable experience. And we come first to this landing area here with that double volume floor to ceiling window with lots of natural light. This area here was intentionally left open for you to decide what to do with this room, whether you can turn it into another seating area or an office because of all that natural light coming in, or you can even turn it into a gym. You can have your free weights here and like a treadmill looking at that beautiful view. So the choices are yours. And now I'm going to take you into the second guest bedroom this way. And you'll see that it's furnished pretty much similar to the first guest bedroom right downstairs here, with its ensuite on the opposite end with an automated toilet, of course. And this room also has its own balcony that faces south, seeing the BTS, but you also have a west view right that way, so you can see the sunset. That means this unit gives you a 270-degree view. And now I'm going to show you the third discrete entrance, which is this one right here. And this leads to the entrance hallway because this is the second floor, so it has a second floor entrance as well, but you can keep this locked. And you'll notice this really nice floor here, and that's because this is high quality, beautiful engineered wood floor that really softens up the vibe on the second floor in contrast with the tile floors on the first level there. And as I walk into the master bedroom area, first I'm going to take you to the walk-in closet because look at this. This is the size of some people's living rooms area. So if you have a girlfriend, you have a wife, significant other, they are gonna love this spot here. A nice bench for you to sit and try on your shoes. And since this is a big condo, right? If you want to get a drink, it's probably too much of a walk to go downstairs. And that's why in this fourth secret little door here, you have a fridge that you can store your wine and your beer for the master bedroom, the star of the show of this condo. But first, I'm not going to show it to you yet. I'm going to show you the master bathroom here because this is very spectacular. Don't pay attention to the jacuzzi yet. I'll show you that in a second. First, I'm going to show you a magic trick. Well, okay, the first magic trick is this automatically opens. The second trick is I'm going to disappear. Oh no, where's Jet? Where did he go? Oh, and he's back here. And that's because I have this remote here that controls the opacity of this stall here. And that's really impressive. I don't think I've seen that in any other condo, at least in Bangkok. And then you have this nice, spacious countertop here with double vanities and plenty of mirror space. And you have your shower stall right here with that really nice rain shower. And okay, we're gonna walk out to one of the standout features of this condo, which is this jacuzzi here that you can turn on the jacuzzi bubbles and enjoy the evening time. Right out here in this nice spacious deck out here where you can put your deck chairs and relax outside, or for some people, if you want to secretly, don't say I told you this, secretly have a pet, they can have their nice space to run around here, provided that they're small little creatures that don't make noise. And this balcony then connects to the master bedroom, which we're gonna step in here as well. And look at this very spacious area here. This here, you can turn into your office if you want, or you can just keep it as a sitting area. And look at this giant master bed here. I mean, the fact that the frames are this big makes the bed feel small, but no, this is a true king-size bed. But with this frame, you can put a California king, an Alaskan king, just to fill out this space here. This area is so big that you even have your own private garden space out here, so you can wake up and see some greenery overlooking that unobstructed view of the Thonglor area. Beautiful space here, and it really gives you this nice juxtaposition between indoor and outdoor living. Okay, so that was the condo, and now I'm going to talk about the neighborhood. This condo is called Waterford Park and is located in the Thonglor area, which is one of the most aspirational neighborhoods in Bangkok, with some of the best cafes, restaurants, and nightlife in the city. Also walkable is Thonglor BTS station, which you can see right from your balcony. From there, you're just one stop from M District and Benchasiri Park, 2 stops from Asol intersection where you can transfer to the subway to go to places like Silom and the Historic District, and 6 BTS stops to Siam Paragon. Another great selling point of this condo is its very low common area fee at just 32 baht per square meter per month, compared to over 100 baht in other leading condos in Thonglor. Now, as I look at my Google Maps, I have a few places starred that are walking distance from the condo. The first is CPS Coffee, which roasts their own beans and does a really nice light roast cappuccino. There's Omi Beef Okaki, which serves high-quality Japanese beef. I think their hamburger lunch set is incredible value. Ban Ice has authentic southern Thai food and is very popular among Thai people, which is what you want. The Missing Burro hits the spot with some of the best Mexican food in town. Marché is where you'll do your errands, as it includes a supermarket, all kinds of retail shops, and a bunch of more restaurants. And definitely check out Taipioca if you're looking for a trendy bar that plays hip-hop and R&B. So having this amount of space while paying just 32 baht per square meter in maintenance fees, and having a wraparound balcony on both floors, and being walking distance to all the great spots in the Thonglor neighborhood are qualities that you really can't find elsewhere at this price point in this neighborhood. So you can get in touch with our sales team by going to my website, jetgunther.com. We handle a variety of budgets at all the major Thai cities. And if you want to see this condo in particular, you can just add a note in your inquiry. So thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best in your real estate journey.